Hello everyone, my name is Theo Guo. My partner Ruru and I will be presenting the work of Barman Studio. Powerhouse Queen's main focus is the negotiation between a large-scale urban envelope that responds to the iconic character of the site and precise program volumes of vastly different designation.
The studio explores opportunities to speculate on new environments of different climates and natures for humans and machines. The Queen's site is located adjacent to the Annabelle Basin in Long Island City. It sits across from the FDR Memorial on Roosevelt Island, as well as the United Nations complex in Manhattan. The studio intends to reflect on the synthesis of city infrastructures and urban nightlife.
The project is made of an incinerator and recycling center, a nightclub, and a ferry station. All programs have different operating schedules and rhythms, creating relationships, overlap, and collaboration, as shown in our group's chunk models. In our project, we desire to create a journey for the partiers to go through space along with experiencing the WTE program, creating a radical relationship between industrial and club programs.
The facade of the building shows two different materialities. One is the precast relief panel, and the other is a metal circulation massing that cuts in and out of the skin. On the south side, the circulation massing goes across the basin and connects to the residential district. The massing sits on the existing warehouse of Annabelle Basin and removes part of the brick wall.
There are two main accesses to the building, one from the south side, serving the residential area and the ferry. The other connects the streets from the Queen's side. The facade scheme portrays the map of the surrounding area of New York City. The circulation massing, on the other hand, adapts the color coding of the existing structure. Window openings are shown in this view to display how the two different facade treatments react to the exterior. Moving on to the program distribution, the ground level locates the machinery for both the waste-to-energy plant and the recycling center. Circulations take people to higher level dance halls, while going through and around the machinery physically and visually. Passing through offices and private clubs in the mid-level, the circulation takes people to the main dance hall on the top. After the chaos, the path takes all the flow out to the exterior club. On the right side, the structural diagram shows 5 elements: precast concrete relief panels, main floor plates, sculptural columns, the circulation volume, and the existing warehouse walls.
The ground floor plan shows the locations of the two plants on the left and right, and also shows the two entrances of the building on top and bottom. At 40 feet high, the circulation volume connects the two entrances and one of the two lower dance halls, both directions also leading to the Riverview Bar. At 80 feet, the circulation connects the dance hall, an indoor-outdoor courtyard, and the office and education center. The circulation volume also interrupts the large spaces and separates the experience. Finally, at 140, the main dance hall with a performing stage is located in the middle, where several circulations connect lower levels, and one takes guests out to the exterior club.
The north section shows how the programs of the WTE and recycling center sit on the bottom, while nightclub programs lay on top of them, while the circulation cut through the spaces. The west section, on the other hand, displays the interruptions of the circulation between the two main programs.
These diagrams indicate the ways of transportation, the machining process, and the workers' flow inside the building. In the circulation diagram, the circulation volume becomes its own structure and intersects with the other spaces. It takes guests to each significant view of the WTE process, while splitting the journey into a sequence that builds up.
In the chunk model, it shows the placement of the two materials on the exterior, as well as how the interior structures, large columns, and floor plates interact with the metal circulation massing. In this diagram, there is a clear view of how people in the Riverview Bar can look into the flue gas treatment, as well as walking through the intersecting spaces. And here are more images of the chunk.
We also made a physical model that shows the materiality contrast of the massing.
Thanks for watching!